Coffee is a loan. It gives you energy now, but takes it back later. These 3 drills give you energy for free. Okay, real talk. It is 3 in the afternoon. You are sitting there. Your brain has fully left the chat, like it did not even say goodbye. It just ghosted you mid-spreadsheet and went somewhere tropical without you. You are staring at your screen like it owes you money, and you are thinking about your 4th coffee, but your hands are already doing that little vibration thing. Bestie, we need to talk, because the 3 p.m. crash is not just a vibe. It is a full biological betrayal, and your brain is the main villain in this story. But here's the plot twist. You do not need caffeine. You need neurofitness. And before you click off, I promise this is not going to be some granola yapping. This is actual brain science wrapped in the most unhinged delivery method possible, because that's how we do things here. So, your circadian rhythm, right. Your body runs on this internal clock, and around 3 p.m. it hits a natural dip. Your core body temperature drops a little, your alertness tanks, your neurons are basically doing a collective flop onto the couch. This is not laziness. This is biology being dramatic. And we are going to fight it with 3 drills that are so simple they feel illegal. Drill 1. Cross-crawl activation. Okay, stay with me. You stand up. Yes, physically stand up. Do not negotiate with me on this. You lift your right knee and touch it with your left elbow. Then left knee, right elbow. You keep going for 60 seconds. That's it. That's the drill. But here's why it goes absolutely crazy hard on your brain. This movement forces your left and right brain hemispheres to talk to each other. It's called cross-lateral movement, and it lights up your corpus callosum, which is basically the group chat between your brain halves. When both sides are synced up, your focus comes back online like a router that just got rebooted. 60 seconds. You will feel the difference. It is genuinely unhinged how fast it works. Drill 2. Box breathing, but make it aggressive. Not chill spa aggressive, focused aggressive. You breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, out for 4 counts, hold again for 4 counts. And you do this like you're trying to win something, because you are. You are winning against your own nervous system, which has been in low-grade panic mode all day. This breathing pattern activates your parasympathetic nervous system and spikes your carbon dioxide balance, which sounds scary, but it actually increases oxygen delivery to your prefrontal cortex. That's the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, focus, and not sending unhinged emails to your coworkers. 3 rounds of box breathing, and your brain is suddenly back from its little vacation, looking refreshed and ready to work. This one is giving main character energy, and I need you to trust the process. Cold water face dunk. You go to your sink. You fill it with cold water. You dunk your face in for 15 to 30 seconds. I am not playing. The diving reflex is a real physiological response where your heart rate slows down and blood flow prioritizes your brain and vital organs. It's the same reflex that helps free divers survive underwater. You are basically tricking your body into survival mode, but in a good way, a focused way, a way that makes your neurons fire like they have something to prove. Some people do the ice cube on the wrist trick, but the face dunk is built different. It slaps, literally. Now here's the big brain moment. These 3 drills combined take less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes versus your 15th coffee that's going to keep you awake at 2 a.m. having an existential crisis about a tweet you sent in 2019. The math is not mathing in caffeine's favor. Your brain is not broken at 3 p.m. It's just waiting for the right input. And now you have got 3 inputs that are scientifically backed and also genuinely chaotic enough to snap you out of whatever beige slump you fell into. Cross-crawl activation, box breathing, cold water face dunk. Write it on your hand. Put it in your notes app. Tell your situationship about it. Whatever you need to do. But do not let 3 p.m. win. Your brain is too powerful for that. It is just waiting for you to remind it. Now go be feral about your focus. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.